Okay, so Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription. This little red box comes to your mailbox once a month with a special craft inside, and I'm just going to show you. This was my very first Paper Pumpkin that I received, and when you get your very first box, you will get this little welcome note telling you that we're so glad that you joined Paper Pumpkin, and also you get a special block in your first Paper Pumpkin, and it's the acrylic D block, which is great size for most of your stamps. It's a very nice size to use with your acrylic stamps that come in Paper Pumpkin each month. Also, let me just go ahead and take these things out so that you can see them better. Each month you will get 1 to 2 Stampin' Spots. These are awesome. I love them. This month I received Mint Macaron and Tip Top Taupe. So that's those right there. This is the June Paper Pumpkin. This was my very first one. This was actually a card kit with a banner in it as well. So let me just open this up for you and show you what it looks like inside and all the goodies that you get with this. So first of all, you have this that has your instructions in here. Step-by-step instructions showing you exactly what you need to do to put the kit together, so that you have all those instructions right there for you. You can go by the instructions word for word. You can also make up your own. If you don't particularly like what they have in store for that month, then change it up and make it your own, which is a great thing that you're able to do. So with this, you have these die cut circles already. All you have to do is punch them out. You have these cool foil letters and some stars and hearts as well. This is your envelope. Have all these envelopes, and this is actually your card bases. Many sequins you have here. Beautiful colors there, the gold and the pinks and the orangey colors, white. And this is the actual banner. And if I can figure out how to open it. So this is the little banner that you're going to stick your sequins in. It's kind of hard to see there. I don't know if that helps. You get your twine as well with it. This is the stamp set that comes in this kit. So you have happy day, you also have shower, birthday, anniversary, graduation. So it's a great stamp set for many different occasions. And this is what the project should look like when you're done. This is the outside right here, and then this is the banner that you will make. I've seen lots of other things done with it where it's just a card that does not open up into a banner, and Pinterest is a great place to find a lot of different alternatives for your Paper Pumpkin kits. So if you are interested in trying out Paper Pumpkin, I'd love for you to join me in this special treat each month. I love getting it out of my mailbox every time it comes. And just contact me at stampin'up.com. Thank you.